Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'll be cooking some Ackee and Salfish Caesar rice. So like I'm showing you all the ingredients that I'm going to be using: some sachets, ground seasoning, rice, saltfish, and the Ackee, of course. So here I show you when I finish cut up the Ackee. I slice up the Ackee like in four. So I'm showing you, yes, and I wash and pick up the saltfish, and the sachets diced up, and the ground seasoning all chopped up, ready to go. Yes, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is first thing set on the rice to make it warm, pre-cook. Yes, guys. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm starting the rice, then I put on the pot to fry up everything that I just show you guys. Alright, yes. So first I'm gonna fry the sachets. Yes, I'm gonna fry the sachets first. So the sachets now is finished frying. So I'm gonna take the sachets out of the pot before I continue with the rest of the ingredients. Making the Jamaica Caesar rice is Ackee and Salfish Caesar rice is very easy, 1-2 step, nothing hard about it. Alright, because when you fry up your ingredients that you're going to be putting in the rice, you're practically done. You leave the rice there to go and simmer. Alright, yes, so I'm gonna fry up my ground seasoning, which consists of tomato, scallion and thyme, onion, and garlic. So I'll be frying up those first. Go and saute them first in the pot, you don't know? Yeah. So after I let them saute for at least 1-2 minutes before I add in the Ackee inside of it. Yes, guys. Just give it a little saute for at least 1-2 minutes, and then I put in the Ackee. I did not boil the Ackee first because you know everything going inside of the rice pot, which is going to be boiling afterwards. So you don't need to boil the Ackee before. Alright, yes, just make sure you cut them up and wash them. Alright, yeah. So I'm going to saute the Ackee and the ground seasoning for at least another 2 minutes together before I add in the saltfish inside of there. Yeah, there you go, the saltfish. Yeah, and stir up that as well and saute it and let it stay there sauteing for at least another 2 minutes together. Give each ingredients a 2 minute span before adding. Yeah, so now the sachets leave. As you see, me fry the sachets already, but the sachets last leaf will go in there before I put everything in the rice pot. Yeah, go back and give it another stir, add in the sachets. Yeah, so I saute all of that for another 2 minutes before I'm going to be turning it over into the rice pot. Yeah, you know the rice dip on low, I go and simmer, so it water not boil out it or anything, and I start boil up or nothing yet. So you know, make a throw, turn off the pot now, ready for throw the ingredients inside of the rice pot, which is the Ackee, the saltfish, and the sachets with the ground seasonings all sauteed together. See there? See the rice pot? Yeah. So I'm gonna be turning them in there now, emptying out everything inside of it, making it now one pot, one Caesar pot. Yeah, Ackee and Salfish seafood rice, guys. Oh, I hope you guys try it who haven't tried it before. Hope you all try this one. Alright, yeah. So I'm just stirring everything, stirring it together before I start into adding the powder seasoning inside of there. Alright, yes, so I'm putting in some pimento, wash the pimento, put it in there first, then I'm adding in some parsley inside of there. You can add in whatever seasoning you like, or powder seasoning you like in here. So, yeah, I'm putting in some black pepper, you know, to kind of help the taste. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna be adding in some Italian. No, I put in all-purpose. Yeah, some all-purpose seasoning inside of it as well. Then I put in the Italian seasoning in there. Yes, guys. I did not use any salt because there was enough salt from the saltfish, because I did not boil the saltfish. I just put it to soak a little, so it already had enough salt on it, so I didn't need to put in any salt inside the pot. Alright guys, yes, you have to be careful with the salt when you're using the saltfish. Yes, so there I'm giving it a taste test to make sure everything was good. I didn't need anything more. Yes, it was good. So we didn't need any salt or anything. So I just cover that now and let it simmer and cook by itself. Okay guys, well steamed and nice, everything well together. Well, the camera not giving it any justice, guys. It was so pretty, it was so tasty. Man, tell us that it tastes really good. Wanna try it yet? Better go try it. Alright guys, yes, thank you for watching, and I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye.